Hey
Guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Meena and this is Jasmine, my daughter.
So today we're going to be making hard chicken.
This is a Desi Murgi and we found Desi Murgi in the UK, so I'm cooking today hard chicken. So guys, I'm going to share this recipe. So Jasmine going to help me as usual, so let's begin. So guys, this is the hard chicken or Desi Murgi. I washed already and drained the water, and I'm cooking with the skin today. So you can see we slightly burn the skin for the burn the hair. So it's you can eat like that. So I washed properly and drained the water. Then I have got grind 2 onion and ginger, garlic. I've got very soft coriander stem, then green chili, and I have got fresh bay leaf, and I have got fresh red chili. A tin of ground tomatoes. And for khada masala, I'm making up cumin seed, bay leaf, green cardamom, moti elaichi, and coriander, whole coriander, cinnamon stick, and cloves. I'm using some powder spices as well. Guys, first I'm going to roast whole spices. So guys, we're going to slightly roast it all these whole spices. So guys, it's a little bit, I roasted already, so let it cool down 2 minutes. This is already 2-3 minutes is cool down. So I'm going to put into the big stone so I can crush it. So guys, I'm going to crush like this. So if you like to grind, you can grind, but I'm going to use this one. So you can see it's roughly, I cross it, and this is the garam masala ready to use later on. So I'm going to leave it like that. So next I'm going to put chicken into the big bowl like that. I'm going to put all chopped tomato or grind tomato. Then I'm going to put coriander. Then I'm going to put bay leaf, green chili, ginger, garlic, 2 grind onion, 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, 1.5 spoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of haldi, half spoon of salt. You can add later on according to your taste. So I'm kasturi methi or fenugreek Greek leaves. And finally I'm going to add mustard oil, raw mustard oil, like this amount. Then I'm going to mix all together. If you like to use your hand, you can use your hand, but I'm going to use this spoon. So I'm going to mix all together like this. So make sure all spices, everything mix very well before you cook. You can cook it straight away, or you can leave 10-15 minutes. I'm going to cook it straight away. Then I'm going to add dengi mirch or Kashmiri mirch only for coloring. A little bit chili powder. I'm going to mix all together again properly. So don't worry about the strong mustard oil flavor. It's lovely when it's cooked, because we are cooking very slow. So when you finish cook, the mustard oil smell will be go away. Additionally, in India always we use the mustard oil, so it's very nice flavor. So guys, I have got very big pot and I on the gas. So I'm going to put straight away in the pot. You don't need to add any more oil because we already add the oil. So we're going to just add like that, because this is the hard chicken and it takes time to cook. And obviously I'm going to cook in very slow because I want to cook all masala properly. So that's why I mix all spices all together differently. I didn't cook before all the curry. So guys, I'm going to put lid on, and I have got full gas on, so let it cook another 2-3 minutes. So guys, you can see, so keep stirring up like that. So देख सकते कि चिकन ने पानी छाना शुरू कर दी है. So इतना ही करते फिर ही जाना है slowly, because it takes time. इनो टाइम लगना, because this is the घर दी मुर्गी है देसी. So तो इसको ढक्कन ला देना है, put lid back, then slowly cook on again. So guys, you can see look like now is lots of water. I didn't add any water, it's natural water from the chicken, so keep stirring up till the masala not proper fry. Or I'm going to put lid on, then leave it for cooking again. So guys, Desi chicken takes long time to cook, it's very hard. So guys, you can see the oil start to separating. So keep frying till masala no fry. So it's look like a done. So guys, you can see this, how lovely is looking beautiful. So all masala cooked. So I add the water, at least 2 to 3 cups, and then let it cook till meat became tender. So guys, it's cooked. Start to break the meat as well. Guys, I'm going to add garam masala. And I'm going to add some ginger, finely chopped. Then I'm going to add few chili, whole chili. Going to add some coriander. Stir up like this. Then I'm going to cover for only 2 minutes. So guys, it's look like that. It's very, very yummy. Look at the color, it's beautiful. So I'm going to gas off. So guys, you can cook like that. Put everything, all spices, you know, the ginger, garlic, everything, and cook very slow. It takes a little bit longer, but it's very, very tasty. So guys, you can enjoy with the rice or chapati, or you can eat dry. If you want to make less gravy, you can make less gravy, or if you want to keep more gravy with the rice, it's totally optional. This is my plate. I'm going to taste now and let you know how it's made it. So very nice. India di yaad dilati. My dad used to cook like that. So it's very, very nice. So guys, you must try it. You must try this recipe and let me know. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner. So thanks for watching me, and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.